That way other people can find them, and that way I could find them. Yeah, wouldn't it be great if you could just Velcro your life to keep it together? Super, super lights. And I realize actually now is the best time to work on this stuff. I'm just going to peel it off. My arm was getting tired just holding it. And well, hello there everybody. This is a very, very quick video, and it's something that I just thought of at the last minute here. And you notice here that there's sort of this open area, and what I wanted to do is I wanted it to be covered so that it's a little neater. It's sort of like I'm hiding all my mess, and there's a huge mess behind, but like cupboards, right? And so what I did was I found myself some plywood, and those pallets, the wood was very dry, and if I sort of lift it, it's super, super light. So I think it'll be great. And that's like just about the entire build here. So this pallet type of wood that I found, which is safe, by the way, it's from a food distributor. I measured out that side over there, that one side, then I'm going to do the other side. I measured out how big that would be, and then that way I can cover it. So you see it right now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to place it. Hold on a second. There we go. That's better. It's easier. I'm holding the camera on my right hand, but it's easier to sort of just put it down. So that's what it looks like, and I'd say it looks much, much neater than it was before. So that's what it looks like right now. If I take this out, that's what it looks like. So definitely it sort of ties the whole space together, and it's very similar to my ceiling. And that's what I noticed when I've been working on this stuff, is there are little adjustments you can make that can make your van build look better. And then that piece I'm going to place over there. And so that's what I'm working on right now. It was sort of like a last minute thing. I just thought about it, and I thought, hey, you know what? How about I do something? I'll cover it up so that it's a little neater. Because I think it's important to make your little home, your home away from home, I think it's important that it looks neat, looks tidy, or as best you can, right? But however, if that's not important to you, that's fine too. In some cases, people do fine with a no build, and I've had one of those. I've had a no build before. My arm was getting tired just holding it with my right arm, so I thought I'd switch it up right now. And even without it, I've got nothing to say. And that there is the last bit of Velcro that I have, and I picked it up from Amazon. It's been really useful just to sort of do some little work here and there to keep everything together. Yeah, wouldn't it be great if you could just Velcro your life to keep it together? And you know what else too, guys? It's still cool, and I realize actually now is the best time to work on this stuff. We're in April, and it's still a bit cool, and I know trying to do van work, working on your van in the summertime, and it's boiling hot, is just insane. So I'm going to attempt to try to do more work on the van and see where it goes. Maybe I'll make a list of stuff to do, and hopefully I will have the wherewithal. There's that word again, wherewithal. Hopefully I'll be able to do some filming, and that way you could sort of see how I'm doing stuff. But the reality is, it's really difficult for me at least, to film all this stuff. Everything just takes so much longer. But although I do enjoy it, and I know some of you guys will benefit from it, I'll try to do my best and see where it goes. Okay, so there's our Velcro piece there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some glue on the backing. That way it'll stay. And you know what, guys? You don't even have to put a whole lot of glue. And what I did was I marked off the edges there like that, so I know where to place that glue, and then that way when I place that strip on it, I know where to line it up. And there's our first strip. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the other side, the prickly side, and place it onto right over there. That way it'll stay, and I'll glue it there too. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to peel it off, and I'm going to place the glue right on top of it, and then line it up over there, and hopefully I'll get it the first time around. Okay, this is so like difficult. Hold on. And there it is. I put glue on the Velcro backing because it just doesn't stick. I think this is atypical of what people do, but this works for me right now. It's just plain old wood glue. Here we go. So this goes over there, and I'm going to need 2 hands for this. So I'm going to put the camera down, and you will see it when it's done. And there it is. There it is. So it's straight up against there. I'm going to do the same thing for the other piece. Same approach, and then ideally it stays. Now I know a few times until the glue is totally dry, when I try to take it off with the Velcro, it'll like rip right off. So for now, I'm going to wait for it before I try anything, and then I'll just do the back part over there. And there we go. So nice and covered up, and the holes I'm using to sort of just pop them open, like just to grab them out of there as something to hold with. Also get some airflow going through. But I think it looks pretty good. And there's my case that I made, that one there. Made that out of scrap wood as well, but I think it looks pretty good. Anyway guys, that took all of about an hour and a half or so. A few things I had to do, for example, find the Velcro and find where the tools are and getting started. The actual part of actually making it and putting it together didn't really take that long, but it was getting all set up. Now what I have to do is I have to do some cleanup and make sure that I place things back where I found them. That way other people can find them, and that way I could find them. But anyway guys, thanks very much for joining me today, and thanks for, you know, just visiting me. I really appreciate it. And if you like this video, please slap that like button, or hit that like button, whatever people are doing these days. And if you think this channel is worthy, and if you think somehow that you might want to see more videos, please subscribe. I would really appreciate the support. And if you have any ideas, or if you want to, if you have a question about any part of my van, please ask it, you know, and if I can help you, I will. And ideally, my next set of videos, I'm hoping to do more instructional videos, but I brought back the vlog or vlogs. I think that's what they're called. And I think people kind of like that stuff. And I've got some subjects I want to talk about. Nothing crazy, but all van related. And hopefully you guys will like it. Okay, that's about it. I think by now, I think the music should cue. I'm bringing that back too. Anyway guys, have a great day. And remember, you are awesome. And hopefully you said it to yourself too.